Alfa Romeo Documentation Center is located inside the museum and constitutes its true heart. Spread over 6,000 linear meters of bookcases, it collects documents, images and the testimonies of 110 years of history. Since the very beginning of Alfa Romeo existence, the archive has stored documents and correspondence that bear witness of these 110 years. The production, the plants, the cars and the people, but also the races, from Scuderia Ferrari to Autodelta. We thus have access to photographic images, videos, technical drawings, sketches from the Style Center and even the production records.
The production records list all the Alfa Romeo chassis ever produced, with their manufacturing date, sale date, destination market and color of the bodywork and interior. They constitute a solid base when issuing certificates of origin.
History is absolutely key to Alfa Romeo. The material stored in the archive and the research conducted until today provide a fundamental support to Alfa Romeo communication, an enhancement of a brand's image, and play an important role in the definition of the new products. Apart from its role within the company, the Documentation Center is also an important reference for the outside world.
Every year we receive thousands of requests from journalists, researchers, scholars, students or simply fans, whom we provide with information, photographic materials, video, drawings and whom we always support in their search for original materials.